What's up, everybody? Phil back, Replicas of the Past. Just wanted to do a quick video on this guy. I did a short video a few months ago, several months ago on this guy. This is the Hot Wheels Bigfoot Monster Truck 50th Anniversary Edition. And it's 130 or 124 scale, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty cool. The 50th anniversary, which would have been last year, because I think the first Bigfoot truck was 1974. If I'm not mistaken. It says 50th anniversary, so I think this came out in 2024. It's really neat. I just wanted to do a quick video on it. Here's the back of the tailgate. It says Bigfoot Hot Wheels 50th Summit. Over here on the side of the bed, Bigfoot, same stuff. Hot Wheels, the signature Bigfoot logo truck there. Big 50 on the door. Can't really see much inside that cab, to be honest. Ain't much in there. There's the back. Hood. Another big 50 on the hood as well. So this is like the look of that probably 74 truck. I'm guessing it definitely looks like an old truck. Underneath. Now the body and the frame here, the body part is all metal, but the rest of it here is plastic, I do believe. The wheels are nice and big. They look good. The tires are rubber. The wheels are golden color there. Look good. Say Hot Wheels right on them. It's a really neat Bigfoot truck. Like I said, there's a short video, but I thought I'm going to give this guy the time that he deserves. I'm going to do some quick comparisons. This here is the son of a gravedigger truck. And then this is a 1/32 scale John Deere 4020. So the Bigfoot is bigger scale, 1/24. Kind of wish Earl would do tractors in this scale, 1/24. It's a really neat truck. I thought, man, I should really do a more quick video, quick better look at it. You know, I think it's really cool looking Bigfoot truck. Alright everyone, I'll close up this video. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. This is Phil for Replicas of the Past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.